Hey there, eco-travelers. Welcome to a journey where we explore the world while keeping our planet green and clean. Planning your next adventure, but want to keep your carbon footprint in check? You're in the right place. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate minimalist packing guide for eco-conscious travelers. Let's dive into the ultimate minimalist packing guide for eco-conscious travelers. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, these tips will help you pack smart and travel light. First up, let's talk about the golden rule: pack light. This is the cornerstone of eco-friendly travel. The lighter your luggage, the less fuel your transport uses. This means fewer emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. Start with a carry-on size bag. This way you'll avoid extra baggage fees and reduce emissions. Win-win, right? Plus, it makes moving around so much easier. Now, onto clothing. This is where many travelers overpack. Stick to versatile, neutral pieces that you can mix and match. Think layers. This way you can adapt to different weather conditions without carrying too much. A couple of t-shirts, one or two pairs of pants, and a light jacket should do the trick. Remember, you can always do laundry on the go. Merino wool is your best friend here. It's durable, breathable, and odor-resistant. It's perfect for both warm and cool climates. Plus, it saves you from doing laundry frequently. A quick wash and hang to dry and you're good to go. Speaking of laundry, ditch single-use plastics. They're harmful to the environment and take up unnecessary space. Pack a bar of eco-friendly soap. It's multi-purpose. You can use it for washing clothes, body, and even dishes. One bar, multiple uses. It's multi-purpose. You can use it for washing clothes, body, and even dishes. This not only saves space, but also reduces waste. Also, bring a reusable tote bag. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for various purposes. You'll need it for groceries, souvenirs, or even as a beach bag. Next, let's talk toiletries. Go solid. Solid toiletries are a game changer for eco-conscious travelers. Solid shampoo, conditioner, and toothpaste tablets are game changers. They're compact, spill-proof, and last longer than their liquid counterparts. They're compact, spill-proof, and you'll breeze through airport security. No more worrying about liquid restrictions. Don't forget your reusable water bottle and a metal straw. Staying hydrated is crucial, and you'll avoid single-use plastics. Staying hydrated and skipping plastic, double win. Plus, many places now have refill stations, making it easier than ever to stay green. Now, your tech. Keep it minimal. Technology can be a huge help, but it can also weigh you down. A smartphone with a good camera can replace bulky gear. It's your camera, map, guidebook, and entertainment center all in one. Download maps, guides, and language apps beforehand. This way you're prepared and won't need to rely on Wi-Fi or data. Trust me, your back will thank you. Carrying less means more freedom to explore without the burden of heavy bags. And finally, think about your impact. Every choice you make can contribute to a more sustainable world. Opt for eco-friendly accommodations and activities. Look for places that prioritize sustainability and support local communities. Choose locally owned businesses, eat local, and respect wildlife. Supporting local economies helps preserve the culture and environment. Your travel dollars can support sustainable practices and help preserve the beauty of the places you visit. Every little bit helps. Remember, traveling light isn't just about convenience, it's a statement. It shows that you care about the planet and are committed to making a difference. It shows that you care about the planet and that you're willing to make small sacrifices for a bigger cause. Your choices inspire others to do the same. So, there you have it. The ultimate minimalist packing guide for eco-conscious travelers. The ultimate minimalist packing guide for eco-conscious travelers. Remember, every small step counts. Hit the like button if you found these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly travel hacks. Safe travels. Let's make the world a better place, one trip at a time.